Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Honda is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. The switch for the heated seats, it's right here. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Heated seats fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side, right here, very easy accessible. To remove the cover, you will have 4 black tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You want to press all of them and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Heated seats fuse, it's a fuse number 11, which is the 15 amp blue fuse located right here. Now if this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper and first check the heated seats switch, test if it's getting power. If it is, then switch is the problem. If it's not, then it could be a wiring problem. And also there is a possibility the heating elements inside the seats failed as well. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.